Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Mercedes C-Class battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, locate your car's battery, which is typically found under the hood or in the trunk area. Now, let's connect the charger correctly. First, attach the positive or red charger clamp to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the negative or black clamp to a grounded metal point on the car's chassis, away from the battery. It's crucial to never connect the negative clamp directly to the negative battery terminal itself. With the clamps securely in place, you can now plug in your battery charger to a power outlet. Select the appropriate charging mode for your battery type if your charger offers options. The charging process can take several hours, so monitor it periodically. A fully charged battery typically shows a reading of around 12.6 volts. Once your battery is fully charged, it's time to disconnect everything safely. Always unplug the charger from the power outlet first before touching any clamps. Then, remove the negative or black clamp from the grounded metal point. Finally, disconnect the positive or red clamp from the battery terminal. Secure the battery and ensure all connections are tight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.